Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for body positivity. So this is for anybody who has any kind of distaste or distrust or dislike of the physical body that they're contained in. This is an energy healing to love the vessel that you're in, no matter its shape, no matter its size, no matter the color of your skin, no matter your age, no matter your ability. Yeah? So go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. All you need to do is nod or affirm yes to accept this healing. I acknowledge all healing comes from the divine, and this is not a replacement for Western medicine. This is a big one. I can feel a lot of energy coming through very quickly. It feels like a lot of people are not content in their bodies. Okay. Go ahead and just allow your focus to settle onto one aspect of your body, your physical body, that you find that you're in conflict with, whether that's a sensation of distaste or disgust or repulsion, or it's in pain, or you wish it were other than it was. Go ahead and just allow yourself to settle there, okay? And you may feel a lot of discomfort when you allow your focus to go there. Just take a deep breath in. And again. This is all the compacted, condensed negative energy that you have projected at this aspect of your physical form. Very strong current here, people. Keep breathing. Keep allowing your focus to settle into the area that you are out of sorts with. And if it's intense physical pain, just allow yourself to go there as well. Just allow whatever you're feeling to be present, and be present to whatever you're feeling. Keep breathing. We are alchemizing the energy that is compacted here. Or maybe it's not just surface, maybe it's deep, yeah? Maybe it's inside. Take another deep breath. Just a softening of the rigid mindset. Any parameters that you've self-enforced or have been put on you from external sources, external forces, around your image, around your face, around your physical body and its abilities and its function. Just we're clearing any discord, any dysfunction, any distortions, self-imposed or otherwise, seen and unseen, whether they're just in thought. Now take another deep breath and bring your focus to an area of your body that's bringing you either pain, or if it's not functioning and you've just wished and willed that it would be other than it is, Your negative self-talk around an aspect of your physical body, whether you're comparing yourself to mainstream popular culture standards, the hate that you've given yourself, the non-acceptance, the wishing it was different from what it is, just clearing that out, clearing that out. This has been creating a web, a sticky web around you. How can you breathe in there? How can you live a rich and fulfilling life in this beautiful vessel that allows you to experience life, right? Self-depreciation, self-judgment, self-negative talk, negative self-talk. Okay, breathe into the spaciousness as this energy dissipates, dissolves, absolves, resolves. Maybe you've been taught by parents to believe that you're not okay in this body. Maybe you don't feel safe in this body. Maybe you've been teased by your peers, by other kids at school. Okay. All of that paradigm, all of those constructs, all of that self-talk that has you believe you're not enough, you're not okay, you're not good enough, you'll never fit in, you should be different from how you are. Just letting all of that dissipate. Yeah. Now just give yourself a hug. If you have arms, give yourself a hug, and in your mind's eye if you don't. And we're just going to bring in an infusion of beautiful, positive self-care, self-loving, divine truth, divine loving from on high. The recognition that you're doing the best that you can in this physical form. This is your vessel in which to experience life. And yes, maybe it's taken hits, right? Maybe it's been beaten up, maybe it's been raped, maybe it's been abused, maybe it's been assaulted, maybe you've assaulted it, maybe you have an eating disorder, maybe you're trying to fit into your genes. All of this self-depreciation just dissipating and dissolving as you're receiving this beautiful, loving, kind, compassionate energy for the physical body. Give yourself a squeeze. Maybe you need to say sorry to the body for hating on it, right? I'm sorry, body. I know you're doing the best you can, right? Maybe it's not working properly and you're frustrated about that. So give it compassion, compassion. Compassion for the physical body. All the wrinkles, all the folds, all the layers that, maybe don't fit into social norms, right? Just allowing yourself to be. Just allowing yourself to be in the shape that you are. Remembering that your spirit is formless, magnificent, radiant. And it's squeezing itself into this vessel so that you can have a life, so that you can experience all the highs, all the lows, all the ups and downs, love, the pain, the journey. Thank you, body. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if I've hurt you. I'm sorry if I've hated on you. Sorry if you've been hated on. Sorry if you've been shamed. Take your focus to any areas that need an extra dose of love and kindness. Wherever that is for you, wherever that is in your body, bring your attention there. Bring this beautiful, loving, divine truth, divine positivity, divine support from on high to love yourself just as you are, in the form that you came. Take a deep breath. Just allow yourself to feel the spaciousness, right? Maybe there's been so much noise of negativity that this is a new experience. Maybe receiving this healing is going to bring stuff to the surface and make it amplified, and you're going to feel worse for a little while. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah? Just know your body's doing the best it can. And it's giving you the experience of life. Just anybody else's judgments and expectations about what you're meant to look like, how you're meant to function, what your body's capable of. You're breathing, you're alive, you're able to eat, you're able to excrete waste, your body is functioning. What? How amazing is the miracle of the body, right? If you have hands, you can pick things up, you can use them to create. You have eyes that see, ears that hear, taste, smell, physical touch. All of these things that this vessel can do to experience life. Your sensory apparatus, right? Tissues and cells. The miraculous machine of the body, functioning, animated, alive. Compassion for this vessel. Love for this vessel. Without it, you couldn't be, right? Without it, you couldn't be. So thank you. Thank you, beautiful body. And just grounding yourself now. Grounding this physical body here on planet Earth. If you've disconnected or disassociated or whatever your coping mechanism to deal with whatever the pain is that you're experiencing, just grounding your life force through the body into Mother Earth. Take a deep breath here, rooted on Mother Earth in the physical form. So much love available to you to call on when you're feeling doubt, when you're hating on yourself. And celebrating your form, celebrating your life, right? Embodiment. Yes. Acceptance. This beautiful physical form that gives you life. Positive energy. Reflecting like a mirror. But you are beautiful inside and out. Yeah, and if the mind goes, no, I'm not. Goodbye, goodbye thoughts. Just notice those thoughts come and go. They don't need to embed. Bring yourself back to body positivity. Yes. Thank you, my loves.